Hey guys, I have a great application to show you as a review for today. This is the Nook Barnes & Noble app. 1 second, please. Sorry, I had to get my Nook color. But this is my Nook color. It has the exact same application on it, but yeah. I just want to say, but it's got the same exact book. It's the same thing that you get on here, but on here it's free, and it's a better alternate to the stock Google Play books. The reason I say that is because on the Google Play books, you can't add personal books from your computer, your like downloaded EPUBs like from another website or something, things like that. You can't do you can't import your own books, but to make it easy. So yeah, but this is a great alternate because it has a nice UI. It's fast. It's clean. It's clean. It's free. And then you can also download and you can also download books from the Barnes & Noble store. Let's go into it now. And as you can see all my little EPUBs. I got all the Harry Potter books. These are actually on the Barnes & Noble website. And then you can see you have all the other stuff that you have, like you have your sorting. You can sort from all the magazines, newspaper, books, and all that, and everything of that sort. I'll show you. You can see all those. You have the recent. You can have another. You can have a how you want it to organize it. Like you can have a recent, title, and author, and then you have the categories. And then you have up here the refresh button, which refreshes if you just added some books to it yourself, or downloaded a book on your Nook color, and you're waiting for it to pop up on here, or you downloaded a book on the web service. So, and also there's a shop button. There's a button for the Barnes & Noble store and settings and search. Not going to go into those, but yeah, because they're pretty simple. But let's go into here, Prisoner of Azkaban. And you can see it has a nice little simple UI. Everything's like very nice and clean. You have down here you have your home. You have the table of contents, your chapters, your notes, and the bookmarks. And you can go to a certain page, which is really nice to have. You can also search a keyword, meaning anything, any word. So like, let's say death, just because, and then it will bring up all the areas, pages, and it'll just say the chapter and the page, and the then it'll have the sentence or the area that word is in. See. And then also you have the changing of your font, so you can have the words as you can have them as little as you want. For some reason it does not want to change it, so there we go. You can change it from huge to puny, and you also have multiple different. You have a very little amount of fonts you can choose, and you can also, they have themes. They have gray, mocha, butter, sepia, night, and day. I recommend day, but that's just my personal preference. So, and then you can also change how you have the margin spacing and the border. So like, I want my pages more close together. I want my words more close together, and I want the margin more out. I can do that. And then you can also have a brightness control It's not a brightness control for the tablet. It's an actual brightness. It controls the tablet's brightness control, but let's go back to here, and you can see my brightness goes right back to normal. So let's go here. See, and then my brightness goes back to normal how the application has it set. So if you change the if you change the brightness in the application, it only change every time you go back to the home screen. It goes back to your personal preference of your everyday use of the tablet's brightness. And then also you have that nice little page turning feature. I don't know if you probably can't even see it, but see, you have the nice. It's a bit slow, and it's very buggy, as you can see, like this. See how I'm trying to bring that page back. It's very buggy, but you can change that in the in the settings. So we can go here, and this is what the settings. These are what the settings pretty much are. Let me just zoom in. Animate turn pages, orientation, portrait, height status bar, pretty much 2-page mode, things like that. Very nice little simple settings. And here is the version that it is currently on. .3.1.14 So very long version. But yeah, it's a free a better alternate to the Google Play Books application, just because you have more freedom, and you can actually add your personal books instead of having to be forced into having to buy the book again. If you already have it, you can't, like, let's say you already have the file or you bought it on another source, or if you're actually switching from one of these devices, if you're upgrading from from a Nook Color to a Nexus7, you'll be able to have your books with you for free. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe down below, and leave a nice comment saying that what app I should download next and do a review on, or what app you think I would recommend. Like, if it's two apps that are pretty much the same, identical, but which game is better. Or if you want me to I will buy a Nexus7 game, Tegra 3 game only. No shitty, no crappy non-Tegra games, because this is for these are Nexus 7 reviews only, until I get my what's it called, Galaxy Note 2. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Thank you.